Peel back a corner of your heat transfer vinyl. This will eventually be the front side of your heat transfer vinyl. This is the clear carrier or transfer tape. This is the glue side of the vinyl where we'll be cutting. Place your vinyl in the machine with the clear carrier down. Because you're cutting into the glue side or the back of the vinyl, you will need to cut in the mirror image or reverse. To do this, select your design and click Object, then Mirror, then flip horizontally. Under Cut Settings, choose the settings recommended in the instructions that arrived with your heat transfer vinyl for ratchet blade, speed, and thickness. Double cut is optional, but recommended especially if your blades are slightly dull. A test cut is always recommended. Let your machine cut the vinyl. Remove vinyl from the machine. Cut around the decal. Weed negative space using a sharp instrument such as a seam ripper, weeder, or safety pin. Gently pull back the top layer of the heat transfer vinyl. Don't forget the small spaces inside of letters. Turn the decal right side up so you can see if you missed any weeding. Preheat the fabric with an iron, and then place the design on the fabric with the clear carrier side up. Very firmly press the iron into each area of the decal for 10 to 15 seconds. Pick up the iron and move to the next section. Slowly peel off the clear carrier, being careful not to pull up the vinyl. Check to see if you can see the weave of the fabric in the HTV. If not, utilize a second shorter press. This can be done by covering the vinyl with a piece of parchment before pressing, or by pressing the iron directly to the vinyl in quick bursts, about 1 second each. Be very careful if you press directly onto the vinyl, as it can melt quickly. To improve longevity, wash on gentle cycle with the garment inside out.